Hey y'all, I was given these 3 makeup blender sponge applicators by BS Mall. It came in a 3-pack from Amazon. First step for using these sponges is you need to squeeze them underneath water and they will expand and about double in size. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. Okay, now that I have squeezed them underwater, and then I also squeeze them with the towel to get the excess water out. You can see that they're much bigger in size. Alright, so I finished my makeup and I haven't cleaned them off or anything, but as you can see I did use all 3 of these. The flat one is good, again, for applying foundation all over your face. The angled one is good for around the nose and underneath the eyes. And then the flat one is good for applying blush or sculpting for highlighting and contouring with bronzer. And these are super easy to clean too. I know that mine are dirty because I just put on all of my makeup, but just apply some makeup remover in the palm of your hand and then just rub it around. So these are my 3 sponges from BS Mall. I really like the way they work. They are very soft, easy use. The handle is fits perfectly in my hand, so it's convenient when you're styling and using these. I like them.